MT Wire is a leading China wire manufacturer with over 20 years of expertise. With advanced production technology and strong management experience, we specialize in welding wires and profile wires. Our primary materials include stainless steel, duplex, nickel alloy, titanium, etc. Standard wire sizes range from 0.1 mm to 20 mm, depending on material grade and packaging requirements. Application in automotive and machinery fields, petrochemical, pipeline, valve, pressure vessel, power plant, chemical equipment field, nuclear power field, communication and electronic machinery field, etc. 6 guarantees for you to choose MT Wire. First, MT Wire has obtained ISO certificate, guaranteeing the product quality. Second, equipped with 7 domestic advanced electric furnace production lines. Third, the monthly production capacity reaches 1,800 tons, meeting your large demand. Fourth, wide range of wire diameters, ranging from 0.1 mm to 20 mm. Fifth, raw materials come from large domestic factories, with quality assurance. Sixth, the staff is skilled and can adjust the molds and wires once, resulting in a high rate of wire production. Why choose us? 1. Factory complex, provide you with cost-effective products and professional services. 2. One-stop procurement of wire products, leave the complexity to MTSCO and the simplicity to you. 3. After the test of time for 18 years, whether the products, services, capital, and strength, MTSCO is your optimum partner. Services, advanced, focus, efficiency, MTSCO brings you safe assurance.